Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up and deploy Motoko project in your local machine. To set up a Motoko project, you will need a DFX installed in your local machine. In my previous video, I showed you how to set up a DFX in your local machine. I'll leave the link in the description. Please check it out. Now let me show you how to set up a project. Open any code editor. I'm gonna use anti-gravity for this. Open the terminal and type DFX new and the project name. I am using simple project name hello world, and it asks you in which language you want to create a project. So it will provide 4 options: Motoko, Rust, Python, TypeScript. I'm gonna use Motoko, and for the front end we are not going to use any front end, so I'm selecting none. And the third option is internet identity. You can select that, and now the project has been created successfully. Let me show you the structure of the project. When you expand hello world, it has source folder inside, and we have the main.mf file. So this is where all the endpoints are available, and dfx.json. This is the configuration file. You can check what are the canisters are available, default configurations, output env file, and version configs. And whenever you deploy the canister, it starts from here only. Now let me show you the main.mf file. So here we have like only one endpoint, so it just takes the name and append it with the hello and return it. So in Canister it supports 2 different types of endpoints. One is query, another one is shared. So shared means you can write the data, query means it just read the data and returns it. Let me deploy the canister. Open the terminal. First, before that you need to start the DFX. For that you need to write DFX start -clean -background. Now it is started. Now you need to write DFX deploy. It is saying I'm not in the working directory, so I need to move to hello world. Now I can deploy. If you see here, we got on URL, so now the canister is deployed. Also in the code you can see like there's a new folder created .dfx. So this is the build folder. Now let me show you the endpoint in the browser. Copy this URL, go to browser, open it. This is the Candid UI. It is similar to Swagger UI. You can check all the endpoints from here. So I'm just typing ACP and querying it. So if you see here, the ICP got appended to hello. If you find this video useful, leave a like and share it with your friends. If you have any queries, hit me up in the comment section. I'll catch you in next video. Thank you.